Look what can happen when a tree isn't firmly rooted. It's the same with teeth. Fluoride helps keep teeth strong, but that's just part of the job. You need healthy gums.
We interrupt our programs on BBC One Wales for our emergency broadcast from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. This is our emergency broadcast from Her Majesty's government at 4:16 p.m. British Summer Time. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration in America discovered a meteor double the size of the one that killed the dinosaurs. This is a possible threat to human lives. We will inform you of further information as soon as possible. We have more information on the meteor situation. The meteor is heading towards planet Earth, and its estimated time of arrival is around 6 to 7 hours, or it could be less. We advise you to get a bunker, or enclose yourself in a room. Stay away from windows if possible, as the meteor could blow out windows. The area where it's estimated to land is around South America. We have a few minutes before it reaches the United Kingdom. This is all from us at BBC One Wales. We will listen to our national anthem as this crisis unfolds.